Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the S&P 500 futures on the Wanda platform for tomorrow, Wednesday, November 1st. For the record, today is Tuesday, October 31. Time is around 7:30 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and I think this is now the most important for the S&P 500. Like this here is kind of an important low in the sense that if we go any lower, this cannot be a wave 4 anymore, a wave 4 in the higher degree. And the S&P 500 that is not making or is not having a wave 4 anymore, this has quite some implications. I mean, it opens the door to way more bearish scenarios. So taking out this low would actually mean it's not so good for the bullish case in the higher time frame across the markets, I would say. So there are actually a lot of possible scenarios in the S&P 500 because the S&P 500 is like something in between the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. So if you are interested in like really concrete scenarios in the higher time frame and also lower time frame, I think you better have a look at my videos about Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. I think now for the S&P 500 here, the only thing that matters is the structure that we are getting from this low. The structure that we are getting from this low here in the lower time frame, like in the starting with the 1 hour, because this will give us a first indication if this low will hold or not. Because if it is a low, and if we want to start a new impulse from here, so more concretely, it would be then the wave 5 in the higher degree, starting from here. Then we, of course, need an impulse from here, from this low. And so for the moment, we do not have an impulse yet, but that's okay. It's still very early, and so let's have a look at what we have for now. Like if I have to label this, I would label this here, but then this is really on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour and the 15 minute, but it is here in this time frame that it starts. So I would say this here is 5 waves up, so this we could count as an impulse. So forget all the rest of the annotations for now. It's not really important. We really start to look at S&P 500 from this low, and then I would say this here could be a wave 1, then this here a wave 2, and then what is coming here can be a wave 3, 4, and 5. This is what we need for the bullish case in the S&P 500, the bullish case in the higher time frame. 5 waves up from here. And so far, I believe this could be a wave 1 in 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we look here at the 15 minute, this also looks good here in RSI. This looks like a typical impulsive structure, I would say, with a wave 3 here, highest RSI reading, and then a wave 5 here ending with divergence. This looks good as a 5 waves up, so as an impulse. And then here, this can be a shallow wave 2, because this low is holding now and we are seeing more upside. So this has to be our wave 2. And then we have to see, like, this has the potential to be a wave 3, but we are missing the data so far. But if we see more upside, what I expect now in the lower time frame, at least some more upside, then this could be a wave 3. But then the crucial question will be, do we have a 4 and a 5? Because it can stop right here, and then we actually have an ABC structure like this. ABC, 3 waves. And if we have 3 waves, it means it is corrective. And then this could be, for instance, as shown here, then we have to zoom out again. But then this could be a wave B, some kind of corrective move, meaning if this is a corrective move up, we will go down again, taking out this low, and then the S&P is not doing a wave 4 anymore in the higher time frame. So therefore, the lower time frame is now quite important. I will further monitor this, what exactly is happening here. But so I would expect at least a bit more upside. We can maybe even calculate a target area. So normally, if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, then we should go here into this area to have a wave 3 and a wave C. So a wave 3 ideally reaches the 1.618 FIB extension. The wave C can return earlier, but then after the 3 waves, we should see a 4th and a 5th wave, and then we have a first impulse up. And then a retest of this low should follow as a wave 2 down, 1, 2, 3. And if we are holding, then then we could still be doing a wave 4 in the S&P 500. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.